Fix AirPods audio issues on Windows 11. 1. Disable telephony service, only if you don't need mic. 2. Restart the Bluetooth related services. Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth Support Service, Bluetooth User Support Service _NNNN. 3. Turn off Enhanced Audio in Headphones Properties. 4. Reset your AirPods. 5. Adjust your balance. Channel, in Headphones Properties and, disconnect and reconnect your AirPods. 6. Choose AirPods hands-free calling mode. 7. Use third party. Such as equalizer APO. 8. Use the same to fine-tune if you're using some audio enhancements app. 9. Install Broadcom BT drivers and all audio driver updates using the recommended Avast driver update in this video guide, if you have their hardware. And check for BT driver updates, if possible. 10. Test audio via control panel. 11. Remove and repair it. AirPods. 11.1 Delete your AirPod from the devices list. 11.2 Remove AirPods related drivers from Device Manager. 11.3 Reconnect them. Disable the above-mentioned telephony service to get high residential audio. 12. Test your AirPods with another PC. 13. Reconfigure your AirPods on some Mac/iPhone/iPad, then repair to Windows.